Come on, get off me, bro. I can't breathe.
Yeah, let him arrest you.
No, they gonna have to arrest us if they witness it. Tell them to leave. I know the law. Tell them to leave.
On April 12th, 2024, what began as a simple family dispute escalated into an intense confrontation involving $5,000 worth of sneakers, betrayal, and police intervention.
It's a mutual fight. Let's go. Let's go, nigga.
Hey,
I'm going. I don't care about you, man. Back up.
Hey,
nobody called you.
Somebody did.
Stop.
We didn't stop here randomly.
I don't care. No.
What's the
I
deal?
don't care. I don't care. I don't this man. He probably the one that called the police.
Did I call the police?
The police pull up.
Oh, okay.
Someone in the building did.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
I don't care.
Can we go
I
ahead and
don't
take care of
care.
this?
Out,
Can we go
bro.
ahead and take care of
You
this?
doing all this? The police. You stay out.
I'm not even the one that called
I
us.
don't care, bro. I don't care. I don't care who called you. That's what you don't understand. I don't care who called you.
Can I? If y'all don't care,
I don't care about that.
we can go ahead and
Like I said, it's a mutual fight. You don't have to do nothing.
get it
That's a
over.
mutual fight.
I don't want that to happen.
Yeah.
Someone get
Unless
hurt.
he press charges. That's the only reason they have it.
Yeah.
Tell him to leave. You good.
Is that cool?
I know it's cool.
Let's go ahead and let's go.
I know it's cool. I know it's cool.
So here's the thing. I'm not gonna condone.
No,
you
they're gonna have to arrest us if they witness it. Tell them to leave. I know.
I'm not
Tell them to leave.
gonna say.
If they see us fight, they gotta arrest us. Tell them to leave. Tell them to leave. I don't give a fuck about the police. Tell them to leave. I know the law.
Okay.
I don't care. I don't want to hear what you gotta say, bro.
Okay. I'm trying not to take anyone to jail, bro. So
Ass up, bro.
Now you
here's what I'll tell you.
I've been talking.
They live together and they just have just getting it.
Y'all can go. Ain't no problem here. Bye.
Here's what I'll tell you. So
Unless he
everyone can
say
hear.
assault, y'all ain't got no reason to be here.
Mutual combat's not illegal. It's not illegal to
Yeah,
fight
it
the
ain't
city
illegal.
gate.
So bye. If y'all witness it, y'all gotta arrest us. I know the law. Bye.
But here's the
I
deal.
want them.
I don't want anyone getting hurt, and we gotta come back out
Ain't
here and
nobody
start
gonna get
hauling
hurt.
people off in a
But
minute.
him. But him.
Ain't nobody gonna get hurt.
Hey, stay right there on the corner.
So not illegal to fight. I'm telling you.
I know it's not. You ain't gotta tell us.
Don't
Bye.
fight.
Bye. You wanna
Okay.
say assault? He don't wanna say assault. Bye. We don't need y'all.
My only complaint.
We don't need y'all.
Is y'all got neighbors out here calling the police?
We don't need y'all.
That's
don't
my
need
only.
y'all.
That's my only complaint.
The same neighbors that been fighting. We don't need y'all. Nobody got no complaint. See y'all later. Thank you. What's your name? Officer what?
Oh.
Officer what? All right. Y'all can have a good evening. We don't need y'all.
All right. No guns, nothing like that?
No, ma'am. We don't answer questions. Bye. We don't need y'all. What's your name? You gotta identify yourself. You're a police officer. You're a public servant. Identify yourself. My problem is with that man. We don't need y'all. Y'all can leave. Like I said, are you willing to follow up a complaint? Y'all take it up with him, but I'm not. You ain't gotta, no, don't address me. I already told them to leave. We don't need y'all.
Everybody else here.
No, everybody else here agree with me. We don't need y'all here. We don't need y'all here. I don't care. I don't care. We don't need y'all. Identify yourself before you talk to me. Identify yourself. Okay, well, fine. You know that's a part of your penal code. You know that's a part of your penal code.
No, he didn't.
You know, no, I don't care. Arrest me. And I'm going to sue you. Go ahead, try it. Go ahead, go and get your penal code. I want you to. I don't care. You can't arrest me for being loud. Bye. Bye. Okay. We don't need y'all. I told you. We don't need y'all.
Where do you guys stay at?
No, it don't matter. Don't ask questions. We don't answer questions.
If you want to keep these miles
No, it don't matter.
where do you guys stay at?
No, they don't have to answer questions.
I'm not talking to you.
No, they don't have to answer questions. Don't answer shit.
If you don't say this apartment complex, you can leave.
No, we don't have to.
You do.
We don't have to. No, we don't. We don't have to address you. We asked you to leave multiple times. We don't ask y'all to leave multiple times. Get your supervisor here.
We're not going to do this.
Either y'all leave or get your supervisor here. Because you're going against the penal
We'll
code.
stay here.
Hey, you gonna check him?
Because people are being loud.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, we
You
calm
guys
down.
can handle it differently.
Nobody said nothing.
Sure.
Nobody said
But
nothing.
here's the problem.
No, it's not a problem. Leave. We're not loud no more.
People in these apartments should be able to sleep peacefully.
You're right. Leave. We're not loud no more. We don't need you.
I don't have to.
You don't. You're right. But don't talk to us. We don't need you.
If you don't live here,
You're a
need to
public
go.
servant. We do not need you. I promise you.
Don't live here, you need to go.
Okay, call your supervisor.
For what?
Call your supervisor because we don't have to tell you that.
Can you please get in the car?
No. Be quiet, please.
I need you to get in the car.
Bro, Toddy, be quiet, please.
These your guys' cars? Okay. If you don't live here, you are parking in a private tollway.
It's not a private way toll if you live here.
There's a sign right there.
No, people live here. If you moving in, you can park right here. Yeah, if you live here, you can park right here. Call a supervisor.
If one of you guys live
Call
here,
the supervisor, man.
So if you live here, I suggest
Call the supervisor. Call your supervisor, man. Call the supervisor, bro.
For what?
Because it's code. If I ask for a supervisor, you have to call. Yes, it is. It's penal code. It is penal code. I'm gonna sue you, man. I'm telling you. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you. And you the only one that state your name. You the only one that state your name, bro.
It was Lindsay.
I told you, we don't need you. So leave. Come on. All right, so this the hook though. No, don't nobody say nothing. He just said. Don't nobody say nothing. We don't need you.
Combat was perfectly
That's fine. The
Okay, so
problem
we don't
is-
need you.
I don't care if you guys fight. Here's the problem though. People live here.
Nobody. Everybody be quiet.
That's what I told you. The noise is the problem.
Okay, be quiet.
I
Now
don't care if you
leave.
knock your guys' teeth out.
Leave.
That's irrelevant to me.
Okay, we're not allowed no more. Leave. Leave, because you didn't identify your.
I did.
You,
It's Lindsay.
no, you. What?
It's Lindsay. It's the third time I've told you.
Okay. Okay, we don't need you. Either call the supervisor or leave, bro. We don't need y'all.
You're not my boss.
And call the supervisor then. You have to. I requested a supervisor. Okay, I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you for your. I'm gonna sue you for your one. Yeah. I'm gonna sue you for your retirement.
That's fine.
Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. We're not allowed no more. We don't need y'all. Y'all need to leave.
Trying to help us out. Let's
Hey,
go.
everybody, please.
Let's go.
Everybody, please. Everybody, please. No, can we get our stuff? You're not getting shit until we get our stuff. That's simple. It's simple. It's real simple. Send our stuff, we'll give you your stuff. Now you will bring that from the police? Come on, huh? You a snitch. You're the police. Now you give us our stuff, you get your stuff. It's simple. I would have never touched your stuff if you would have sent our stuff. It's that simple. I requested a supervisor. Now I want to. He snitched. I gotta talk to a supervisor, man.
What do you need to talk to the supervisor about?
Because it's penal code, and that's what you swore to. Is it not?
We're not calling a supervisor out here.
Are y'all
just
saying that's not
you
penal
want to talk
code?
to a supervisor.
No. If I ask for a supervisor, y'all not supposed to call him?
Depends on what you want.
No. It doesn't matter. I don't have to tell you. It's private. It's private. Yep. I'm gonna tell him when he pull up. Tell him he'll know when he pull up. It's the truth. It's kind of hard. I know what I'm talking about. We don't need y'all. We not loud. We don't need y'all. Either, bro, look. Either no. Now y'all inserting yourself in business. Here's the thing. No. If y'all call the supervisor or leave. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Call the supervisor. It's penal code.
We leaving. Let's go.
Don't talk, bro. Now he want to grab his shit.
Hurry, let's go.
Look at him. Whack. You whack as fuck. Yeah, that's all I ever wanted. Send our shit then. No, bro. No, bro. No, bro. Bro, move. Don't come here. I'm about to go to jail. Don't come in here. Give us our shit. Yeah, big fella, what? Big fella, what? I'm right here, nigga. Hey, you don't fucking
I love you. I love you. I love you, big fella. I love you, big fella. I love you too. I love you, big fella. I love you, big fella.
No, don't just say it. All right, what, bro? No, he's doing that because he did. Don't leave each other. Chill out.
He cool. He said he's cool.
Hey, please. Hey, Stop, Bill. Bill, stop, bro. You pissing me off, bro. Stop. Hey, that's not necessary. Stop. That's not necessary. Stop. I'm on the phone. Shut up. Get off me, bro. I can't breathe. Bill, let him rush you. No, he just hit my head against the fucking door. You let him do that. Stop. Bill, stop, man. Bro, I promise. Call the supervisor, bro. Call the supervisor, bro. Nobody needed y'all. Call the supervisor. Call the supervisor, bro. Call your supervisor. No, fuck you. Call the supervisor. You should never arrested me. Y'all said it was cool. Get off of me. We're done. That's some dumbass shit. Yeah. Call the supervisor. I'm not pressing no charges. So get off of me.
Get up.
Y'all said it was cool. Get off of me.
Yeah, it's cool that you guys fight. It's not cool that you cause disruptions.
Get off of me.
I'm done playing with you.
We was fighting. Get off of me. Let me go. Let me go. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor, bro.
He's on his way out. Don't you worry.
Don't hurt my brother, man. Y'all just said it was cool. Don't just say it. He pissing me off, bro. He's pissing me the fuck off.
What else needs to be taken? Whatever. I have no clue. I'm assuming it's all the shoes or his.
He got their money and he got his shoes. They live together in this building.
I figured as much.
Yeah.
I figured as much.
And he won't send their money, so that's what they meant. That's what they meant.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this is just ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. We've been out here for way too long overseas.
How long?
That can just be sent to like 2 hours probably.
Really?
Y'all just said it was cool. Y'all just said it was cool.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, we just fought. Nigga, get off of me. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, call your supervisor. I'ma sue the fuck out of you. I'ma sue the fuck out of you. You better leave me alone. Hey man, hey man, calm your ass down. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga.
Out, these can come off.
No.
But we're done.
No. You can't arrest us for nothing.
Just chill.
I'ma sue you. You can call my son. I'ma sue you.
You're not gonna keep fucking up on me.
No, fuck you, nigga. I told you to call your supervisor.
Yeah, he's on his way.
I'ma sue your ass. Let me go. Y'all just said it was cool to fight.
Get in the car.
Not getting nowhere.
Get in the car.
Y'all should have called your supervisor.
Yeah, he's on his way out. Don't
Fuck
worry.
you. No. You have no right to treat me like a fucking...
You're in this position.
Get off of me.
This is how you act.
No, let me out. I didn't do nothing illegal. Get off.
The suspect was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Do you think it was worth it? Share your thoughts down in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed today's video and want to see more compelling police body cam footage, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Code 3 Views. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated when we drop new content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.